and welcome back to my vlog. Today it's a very happy day because we are celebrating my birthday! Yes, and we are in Rome to celebrate. So if you are watching this vlog, I'm very happy to share with you all our day activities in Rome to celebrate. We are gonna do all the touristic things, but not only. We are gonna go to the best pizza places, we're gonna eat the best gelato ice cream and best pasta. I mean, we are in Italy, right? We gotta do like the Italians do. Also drink Italian wine. So keep watching. This umbrella is with UV protection against the sun, and if you want to buy it, I really like it. I'm leaving you the code under in the description. Also, the restaurant that we are going does the best Napoletan pizza. It's very near the main attractions. It's called Piccolo Rucco, if I'm not wrong. And then we will go to Fontana di Trevi. Another touristic destination we are just crossing on our way is here, the Spanish Steps. I don't know why they're called Spanish. We are in Italy, but it's super crowded, as you can see. Anyway, we'll try to take some photos and post them on Instagram, which you can see them there. The previous restaurant that we reserved was closed because of summer holidays. I mean, they also have summer holidays. So we came to another one that we got recommended yesterday. It's called That's Amore. That's Amore, na 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 na. And we're gonna eat pizza. Lunch was very delicious, and now we are gonna go to the famous Fontana di Trevi again. Of course it's gonna be very crowded though, not like the last time that we were there at 5 a.m. Now it's almost 2. Also, just to mention prices and costs here in Italy, the bill was 43 euro. I think like ravioli was 14 euro, pizza 13, spaghetti 12 euro. Pretty good, I would say. And we didn't have to pay for the table, because sometimes here you gotta pay for the table, especially if you sit outside, like 2 euro, 4 euro, depending. We arrived! Look how crowded it is! Oh my god, super crowded! We just went out from Chiesa di San Ignacio di Loyola, and it was so beautiful, guys. It gives you a feeling of peace, really. I loved it, and of course it's worth it to come. First, it's free. I cannot believe it. But all the paintings up in the ceiling, really worth it to come here. A true masterpiece. now we are back after a little bit of rest. We slept because it's tiring walking, guys. More than 20,000 steps and the sun. And now we are going to eat dinner, see the Colosseum. I'll show you the Colosseum, but we're not gonna enter because after 7 o'clock, 7:15, they close. And then the last entering is at 6 o'clock. So yeah, maybe tomorrow. Let's see. For eating dinner for my birthday, because I liked the carbonara so much yesterday, we're going back. We're going to Osteria da Fortunata. If you haven't seen that vlog, you can go to my channel and don't miss the first vlog of Rome, because this is the second one. And we're gonna eat pasta and we're gonna drink wine, just like the Romans do. Okay, so let's go. Oh my god, we arrived! Yoo-hoo! So beautiful! We are now almost 7 o'clock and there are a lot of people taking photos. Where are the stairs, if you guys can see? But if you want a place with less people, there is a bridge right there that we took some very cute photos. And you can do too. I mean, the Colosseum will show up in all of these places. And this timing is so good to come because it's less warm and you get to enjoy the Colosseum. By the way, there is also skip the line or a fast track, so you don't have to wait for hours to enter, but they get sold out pretty quickly. You got to buy way in advance, guys. Also, if you are liking this vlog, if it's useful, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Turn on the notifications so every time I put a video, you will get notified. And comment, let me know what do you think of this world wonder. Babi, tu të pëlqen Roma, Babi?
Shumë e bukur, shumë e bukur. Po kënaqem.
Më kënaqesh? Oh, wow!
Që na solle.
Mi vida, do you like Roma?
Më pëlqen.
Të pëlqen? Të pëlqen shumë bukur Roma?
Shumë bukur Roma.
Shumë e bukur. Edhe Colosseum mbrapa.
Po.
Patjetër. Rome is magical. Here we are in Piazza Venezia. You must come, and all the roads will lead you here in Atrio della Libertà, right behind me. And we are in Piazza Venezia here. Ta-da! Another day in Rome, another day in Osteria da Fortunata. And for my birthday, because I liked it so much yesterday, well, we are here to eat exactly the same thing. But we're gonna get a different wine. And of course, in the end, we cannot miss to eat tiramisu, because it's my birthday. So yesterday we got very lucky. We didn't wait for the line at all. Today, I mean, you gotta wait for the line, but it's really worth it. And it was so nice of the staff. We waited in the line, but then we got quicker. Yeah, but we also got lucky, yeah, because there were big groups, so then we could enter. So yeah, if you're watching this vlog and if you come here because of me, let me know in the comments, like, what do you think? We just finished our dinner. I'm so satisfied. Like, I cannot ask for a more beautiful day. And it's really special being in Rome with my loved ones and just enjoying this beautiful, magical city. So I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Almost same as I did doing it on my birthday. And this is gonna be a very beautiful memory one day when I'm old. Well, I will see you in the next vlog, or you will see me in the next vlog. Stay tuned, guys, and until the next vlog of Rome, because there are more things to do, yeah? Until the next one, bye bye, good night!